8500 watts laser welding machine installation and training. After receiving the machine, check the parts according to the list, which includes welding machine main machine 1 set, controlled temperature cooling water machine 1 set, auxiliary lighting 1 pieces, welding gun 1 set, water pipes 4 pieces, reserve screws 5 pieces, welding lens 1 set. Toolbox. The toolbox contains foot switch 1 set, thimble seat 1 set, raw material belt 1 roll, dimming paper 2 pieces, hex wrench 1 set, hoop iron 4 pieces, triangle key 1 pieces, screwdriver 1 pieces, special screws 6 pieces, a set of liquid crystal display. There are display screen, camera, focusing mirror, countertop bracket, marble countertop. Assembly is carried out. Step 1. Install the countertop bracket. Remove the reserved 5 pieces screws first. Install the countertop bracket. Align the bracket with the screw hole and tighten the screw. Step 2. Move the machine, select the position, fix the foot. Step 3. Install marble countertop with care. Step 4. Install the thimble assembly. After the base is installed, the hole is aligned to install the thimble barrel. Place the thimble and install the cover plate. Step 5. Install welding lens set and other components. Install focusing mirror. Install and camera. Install the display screen. Insert the power supply and data cable of the camera. And connect the power supply cable. Install auxiliary lighting. Step 6. Install foot switch. Step 7. Connect the water pipe. Pay attention to the water inlet but the water outlet, the water outlet but the water inlet. And tighten the throat collar. Insert 2 thin water pipes in no required position. Step 8. Install filter element. Step 9. Inject cooling water. Pay attention to choose pure water or distilled water. The water level is as shown in the view. Step 10. Insert data cable. Install ground wire. And insert air pipe. Step 11. Connect the main power supply. Pay attention, non-professional personnel are forbidden to operate. And the power supply is tested before starting. Step 12. Power on for the first. Turn on the main power switch. Unscrew the boot knob. Unscrew the emergency stop switch, and the display will light up. Click the On button on the monitor and click Confirm On. Pay attention to the screen. Wait 90 seconds until Ready is displayed. Start working is normal. The water tank runs normally. The whole machine is assembled. Next, let's start training. Step 1. Adjust the temperature control value of the water tank. Press the menu key to enter the menu. Select Para Settings, User Parameter and Media Temp Set. To recommend 26 degrees Celsius. Click the menu to save. Select Media Diff Set to recommend 3 degrees Celsius. Click the menu key to save. Return to the home page. Step 2. Adjust the camera. First turn on the auxiliary light and twist the knob to adjust the brightness of the light. The top knob of the camera adjusts the focus length, the middle knob adjusts the brightness, and the bottom knob adjusts the distance, until the screen is clear and the scene size is appropriate. Step 3. Adjust the focal length of the light. Step on the foot switch. Turn the focal length adjustment cylinder. Observe the fire until the maximum sound, and complete the adjustment of the focal length of the light. Step 4. Adjustment parameters. Start A. Electricity represents the laser firepower size, adjustable range 30 to 200. The recommended setting for new machines is between 30 and 35. Width, pulse width, represents the size of laser solder joint, adjustable range 0.1 to 2. Rated frequency represents the speed of laser solder joint, adjustable range 1 to 80. Step 5. Adjust the light point to coincide with the screen cross. Step on the foot switch, watch the screen, and turn the side knob. The top left knob to adjust the slash. The bottom knob to adjust the left and right. The right knob to adjust the up and down, until the solder joint coincides with the screen cross. Step 6. Adjust the knob of the thimble base. Move the thimble and make the welding line coincide with the red light. Step on the foot switch, and the welding can be carried out. Step 7. The use of handheld welding gun. Pay attention to adjust the hand posture first. The muzzle is down, and then press the switch of the welding gun, and press the trigger button to weld. When not in use, it should be closed in time. Step 8. Shutdown sequence. Click Off on the monitor. Click Confirm Off and wait for System Closed to appear. Turn off the switch knob. Press the emergency stop switch. Turn off the main power supply. The above is the 8500 watts handheld laser welding machine equipment installation and training of the whole process. Thank you for watching.